Learning English through memory. Why memorizing works. Memorizing is like building a house. You need bricks to start. In English, words are your bricks. First, it helps you speak faster. You do not have to stop and think about every word. You just say them. This is called fluency. Second, it helps your brain. When you remember phrases, your brain gets stronger. You can listen to long stories more easily. Third, it gives you confidence. When you know the words by heart, you are not afraid to speak to others. The Bible in English. The Bible is a very helpful book for learning English. First, it is clear English. The words are strong. You learn how to speak in a polite and formal way. Second, you know the stories. If you know the story already, it is easy to understand the English. You can guess the meaning of new words. Third, native speakers use Bible phrases. Many English sayings come from the Bible. If you learn them, you will understand movies and conversations better. A strong verse to learn. Let us look at 1 John chapter 1, verse 3. We proclaim to you what we have seen and heard, so that you also may have fellowship with us. There are 3 important things to learn here. 1. The word proclaim. This is a formal word. It means to tell something loudly or to many people. It is much stronger than the word say. 2. The present perfect tense. The verse says, have seen and heard. If you say saw and heard, you are talking only about the past. It is finished. When you say have seen and heard, it means the experience is still important to you right now. It connects the past to the present. 3. The phrase "so that." We use this to talk about a purpose or a reason. Why do they proclaim to you? So that you can join the followers of Jesus. How to practice. Read these lines out loud. Read them many times every day. Soon, the English will stay in your mind. You will not need a book. You will have the language inside you.